Have you ever considered that happiness could be your default state, not an elusive goal? Welcome to a journey, an exploration into the realm of mental well-being, where happiness isn't just a fleeting moment, but a constant companion. This journey, ladies and gentlemen, is a program we call Unlock Happiness. A program that has empowered countless individuals to reclaim their lives from the clutches of anxiety and depression. Let's hear from Emma. She had been battling anxiety for over 5 years before she stumbled upon Unlock Happiness. The program, she says, didn't just equip me with the tools to manage my anxiety, it actually helped me understand it. I learned to navigate my thoughts and emotions rather than being consumed by them. Now consider John's experience. He was trapped in the depths of depression when he found Unlock Happiness. It felt like someone finally turned on the lights, he shares. The program encouraged me to face my fears, to confront my insecurities. It was challenging, but it was also liberating. Today, I feel like I've got my life back, and there are many more Emmas and Johns out there. Individuals who have managed to break free from the shackles of anxiety and depression. Thanks to Unlock Happiness. They've not just survived, they've thrived. But how does Unlock Happiness work? It's a unique blend of cognitive behavioral techniques, mindfulness practices, and wellness strategies. It's not a magic wand, it's a toolkit. A toolkit that empowers you to understand your mental health, to manage it, and ultimately, to improve it. Unlock Happiness doesn't promise an overnight transformation. It promises instead a journey. A journey of self-discovery, of growth, of transformation. A journey that leads you to a place where happiness is not an elusive goal, but a constant companion. Your mental health matters. Your happiness matters. And Unlock Happiness is here to guide you on your journey towards mental well-being. So why wait? Step onto the path of self-discovery. Embrace the journey. Break free from anxiety and depression. It's time to unlock your happiness. Remember, the key to happiness lies within you. Unlock Happiness is just here to help you find it.